Hi, my name is Ariel Lehaitre, physical therapist, Pilates instructor, and Pilates studio owner of Pilates Santé in Los Gatos, California. And today I'd like to show the Pilates Santé clients or anybody that might be interested on how to stretch the latissimus. This muscle can often be tight and limit overhead movement of the shoulder. So people that are experiencing some symptoms of their shoulder may benefit from the latissimus stretch. I like to do this using a doorway or some sort of sturdy pole or dowel. Even a table leg could work. What you're going to do is I'll use the trap table or pole here. I'm going to stretch my left lat to start, and I'm going to reach forward, grab hold of this dowel, and then sit my hips back. So there's a lengthening and almost a distraction through my shoulder. This may be enough right here. I might start to feel a stretch through my armpit area. This is where I'm looking to stretch. But if I want to encourage even more stretch, I can start to shift my weight toward the opposite leg, my right hip in this case, and then start to look either above or under my left shoulder. And as I do that, I should start to feel more intensity of this armpit stretch and may also start to feel it kind of traveling down the side of my body here. What I do want to avoid is pinching or stiffness or tightness or pain through the top of my shoulder. If you do experience that, you want to adjust the position that you're stretching at so that you feel the stretch primarily underneath the shoulder. Then I would hold this for a minimum of 30 seconds or until I start to feel a little bit of relief of the stretch, some change in sensation. And you could perform that on both sides. Again, if you're having shoulder pain, particularly with overhead movement, this could be a stretch that's indicated for you. I'd love to hear how you like to stretch your lats. Comment in below. And if you're interested in more educational content, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel by hitting the bell. Thanks so much and have a great day.